See that? That's that tire we put on in the other video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you a story on what happened to me yesterday. Well, yesterday I went to Atlanta and my tire blew out completely. I've had these truckers flashing their lights at me, honking, and all kinds of stuff was happening. I just kept on driving because I wasn't sure what they were talking about. Anyway, here's what happened right here. Let's go get us another tire that I have set aside. As I'm driving to Atlanta, there was about 40 police officers out there. All of these police officers, none of them bothered to stop me and tell me that, hey man, your tire is bad on your trailer. So anyway, we went down to Atlanta, we got a car, we hauled it back here to Tennessee, and well, some of that video is confidential, so I can't show you guys. But if you bear with me, let's get this trailer tire back on. Now, every man needs to have a stash of trailer tires or any side parts that they need, and here is mine. Now, that's a brand new tire. It's even balanced and all. Let's take it with us. Now, here's a few things a man needs to know when doing a trailer tire. That tire is a 16-inch tire and a 16-inch wheel. Now, it has a triangular pattern, and this wheel is a 15 and it's brand new. And just as a side note, these are truck tires, 10 plies. These are trailer tires. And trailer tires are, well, they're not meant to be used the way that I use them. So I opted out for truck tires. Anyway, so this wheel is obviously different than that one. That one's white and this one's black. And let me show you guys how to install this wheel. Now this is gonna be my Now, some of the really important things a man needs to get is a chock for their wheel and a 6x6 block. Now you guys will find out why I need. Alright guys, so when you get to a pro level like me, you're gonna grab your wheel and you're gonna install it. Get your impact gun and a 7/8. All right. The next step is to keep backing up. So just like that, guys, with the simple chalk and the 6x6, you can do the job yourself too. So get to it.